Hey everyone, good morning. I'm Shri. So, as you can see, I'm speaking about the last thing I did for the first time. But then before that, I actually want you all to ponder on when was the last thing that you did for the first time. Because, like I personally feel that we're all so caught up with our everyday chores, our work, family, and everything else that we just kind of forget to do something that we enjoy the most. Sometimes even hobbies can become so distressing because you have all these timelines and things like that. But then there are these certain experiences that really make you feel alive. So for me, one such experience was when I visited Colorado for the first time. And I'm an international student. So it was my first solo travel in the States. So there's a touristy location called the Royal Gorge Bridge. So it is apparently like America. It was the world's highest bridge until 2001, but right now it's America's highest suspension bridge. So there's something called as the Sky Coaster. So it's a 50 feet suspension above the bridge. So on the whole, it was around 12,050 feet. And then the funny part is there's no safety net when you do it, nor a parachute. So, you're just like hanging over there with, like it was a hook style of thing. And so I was honestly like terrified at first because, if I'm lost like forever. So, but then I was like, hey, let's do it. And then so when I first went to them, they were like, oh, the wind's greater than normal. And if you're doing it alone, you wouldn't act, it's not suggestible. So I was turned down the first time. But then some really nice random strangers allowed me to third wheel their adventure. So it was three people at once. And then we actually did it. And it was like the most out of the world weightless experience for me because like I don't know how many of you dreamt it, but whenever I see birds in the sky, I'm like, oh, I wish I could be a bird so I can go anywhere. So that was the feeling there. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. And I think my takeaway for you guys like from this would be like I would probably want all of you to do such kind of things more, even if it's like something super small, like, I don't know, just folding laundry maybe, or going to a dance class. Because, hey, I first folded my own laundry when I was 23 because my mom used to do it for me. So, you know, we have to start somewhere. So, yeah. So I just hope you all capture more experiences like you capture packets that all of you love. So, and also, I'm actually an entry level professional trying to break into cyber. So, if you or anyone is hiring, please, that's my LinkedIn. So, yeah.